again with another RSX 800 horsepower all-wheel drive build video for y'all, man. Point of view, 3D sound, you know what it is. Oh damn, my bumper's about to fall out. Oops. Honda things. Yeah, this is the MK Elite, or that's my gaming name, by the way. Elite drives RSX. You know, we got the custom built taillights that you can't really see in the day much. Damn. Yeah, you can see that kind of now. Yeah, these are the infinity mirror, whatever you want to call it. I built these with a 3D printer. Turned out pretty good. You know, got the beautiful interior, got the laptop. What you mean, man? Let's actually pop the hood for those of you who are new to show you guys the build, you know? Yeah, so if you guys see what's inside the hood out here, that's where the real goodies are, you know. I can smell something burning. Probably the clutch from doing few pulls right now. So, you know, it is what it is. Is it closed? Why does it look like, oh, it's closed, right? Honda things. Alright, with that said, let's get this 3D sound recorder set up, sitting right there. And yeah, man, we're gonna go for a little drive here. You know, I got my laptop with the tunes and everything, you know what I'm saying? RSX with the laptop, don't mess. Like my seat's like a little adjusted. And yeah, let's get straight to it, man. Idling pretty good here. If you guys seen my other videos where the idle is so rough, it's because it's kind of winter time normally. Today's 60 degrees, 65 degrees right now. It's beautiful out, so the car likes it. You know, it's like a human being. You know, almost like it has mood swings, it has weird issues. You know, it gets angry sometimes. You know, right now it's very happy because of the good weather. So am I. I'm happy too. Shit. I'm on the wrong side of the street. Alright. Alright. Well, I want to put on my seatbelt, especially in a car like this. Shit. So, as the summer approaches us, my plan with this car is to finally fix the suspension, make it all-wheel drive. I mean, not all-wheel drive, sorry. Wide body kit, upgrade the brakes, because the brakes are stock, and it really, really sucks ass. We have oh hell no, it's gonna take me 40 minutes to get home? No way. Too much traffic, bro. Sounds beautiful on this beautiful weather. K1 speed right there. Nice little whatever you want to call it, pond and shit. I love the sound of the gears in this car, right? Like the straight cut gears in this car sounds so like relaxing. Wow. Till the boost kicks in and everything gets crazy. So oh, my visibility is blocked till this guy leaves. God damn. So I get a little turn over there. I don't know how to explain it, but you'll see. Shell gas station's packed. God damn. This car has been very reliable at the power level so far. I hope I don't jinx it today. I've done a lot of pulls recently, so I was hoping to avoid traffic by coming from this side, but looks like not. Cars in front of me, man. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. I love this shifter, man. I bought it off, your typical Amazon or eBay. I don't remember, but it looks beautiful. Like I love it. It is forming some weird like things on it from just using it, I guess. But it's nice though. That lady in the car in the front, she's just staring at me because I have this big ass camera on my face. Oh my lord. That's insane. Holy shit. That was kind of scary, bro. It just pulled so hard. Woo, woo, woo. Thing is moving, man. Thing is moving. The only downside to driving this car, especially because I have a little bit of a long drive here, is that the exhaust fumes are so bad. The exhaust dump is right below the shifter. So the fumes are really all over my freaking lungs right now. Like I'm dying out here, bro. Shit's killing me. Slowly. Bouncy, bouncy. Bro, there's so much traffic. I'm gonna hate this drive home, man. Holy shit, bro. The sun's facing me too, bro. Come on. I'm gonna keep quiet for a few minutes. Holy shit. Look at me, bro. Oh, damn. Bro, that's dirty as shit. Got a triple disc clutch here and a lot of traffic, so y'all can feel my pain right now. So driving a car like this in traffic, man, it's a nightmare because you're stopping and going. It's just it is so loud, yo. My ears. Like, bro, can you imagine your exhaust is right below you? Just think that. You're making 800 to the wheels, and your exhaust is right here. Because I don't know if the sound can tell you how loud this car is, but it's loud as shit, bro. Alright, guys, so I cut part of the video because I got tired of this stupid sun. So finally, we're turning left, right? So I'll be able to put this up in peace and actually drive in peace without the sun hitting our view and ruining everything. So, hey, exciting stuff, yeah? Yeah, I don't know what happened to this, bro. I fixed it twice, and also my O2 sensor died. Now that it's good weather outside, I can finally really focus on fixing a few of these little issues. Come on, Corolla. What are you doing, bro? You inefficient human being. That's what I call them, right? People who drive extremely... God, this car's loud. People who drive extremely slow, I call them inefficient human beings, because they are. Bro, there's people trying to go places, you know, people are busy. Value the time you have, bro. Like, why you got so much gap in those cars, bro? Just, come on, man. Drive! Try to hit that freaking accelerator, my guy. Quit playing. Got that little cute little Miata coming up. It didn't really kick in, but the turbo sound is so insane on this car. You can just hear like, oh, majestic, bro. I love it. This might be just the best sounding Honda build ever. You guys agree with me? Am I being too proud, or is that actually the case? Oh hell no! Did they shut down the street, bro? I'll be so pissed off. Oh shit, there's an accident or something? Oh shit. God damn it. We'll go maybe... Yeah, they're trying to pull out someone from the side of the... What the hell? Oh, that's not good. Back to the stupid view! Come on, bro! This shit is crazy! Damn it. Yeah, I think the accident just happened there. I think the dude flew into the ditch, which kind of sucks. I hope they're okay. That's really gotta suck. Oh, that's a beautiful spot though. Lady, go, please. If you guys notice, I started second this time and a few other times because my first gear, when the car's really warmed up, it starts to kind of grind for some reason. I don't know why. It's really weird. Oh, my legs are done, bro. my god, that was a hard ass pull. Oh, my ears. Oh, my ears, y'all. Oh, my ears. Holy shit. My ears are so done right now. Alright guys, I'm gonna cut this video short right here because I'm almost home. And that was an awesome drive with you guys. I hope y'all really enjoyed this quick RSX video once again. I love this car. I hope you guys love this car as well. Clearly you do. As bouncy as it is, which will be fixed this year hopefully. I can't wait to do that. And then yeah, we have amazing other cars coming up on our channel. So yeah man, it's an awesome blessing to have this channel with you amazing people out there. Make sure you guys hit the subscribe, follow the channel, follow my Instagram, Elite Drives, and stay tuned for the newest videos, man. Thank you guys so much for joining in. Drop drop your comments, say what you guys think. Peace out for now. Elite Drive.